How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Focusrite to your Bandlab. So it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to head over to your Bandlab right here. It doesn't matter whether you're using something like Mac OS or a Windows computer. We simply want to make sure that our device is plugged onto our device right here, making sure that they are both connected. Right after, let's click on the create option, create new project, and then you could just wait for it to load in. You want to select the voice-audio option. And here, make sure that you allow access to the actual browser so it will have access to our device. Navigate through the input device right here, and just make sure that you select your Focusrite to this specific menu. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.